request everyone to please stand.
Vis-a-vis entire, in the entire world and how it is affecting India. Hub, which was earlier used to transport drugs from this country, we are unfortunately also becoming a consuming hub. With increasing economic prosperity and technology through airborne airplane passengers are bringing, people are ordering these substances over darknet through darknet is a medium through which is an internet which is not on the web. It is below the web, and it is an anonymous technology through which people place these drugs and other things. They are focusing not just on breaking the supply chain or focusing on increasing more number of cases, but the focusing was on prevention. The focus is on treatment and recovery of those people who are involved into it. Narcotics Control Bureau as a national agency has taken decisive steps in alignment with these goals. Today, we are not only fighting the supply chains, but also investing in public education, engagement and mental wellness. Initiatives such as Drug-Free Campus, the Youth Awareness Campaign and launch of today's program Manas 1933. 1933 is a helpline. It is not just a helpline, it is a lifeline. It is a lifeline for those people who are in.
You have to unite with yourself. आपको अपने अंदर की ना सारी कमियां निकालनी पड़ेगी, उनको ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा. जब आप अपने आप को ध्यान से देख लेंगे ना, तो आप वो बन जाएंगे जो आप बनना चाहते हैं. और यहाँ से मैंने अपना थॉट कनेक्ट किया उन सब अपने दोस्तों के साथ कि why haven't we changed? Why is everybody saying we are the same?
Silent, systematic destruction of our future. Narcotic drugs, the new weapons. Real leaders don't wait for the war to begin. They rise to stop it before it reaches their people.
ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಭಗವಂತ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನಗಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾರ್ಥಕವಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Not drugs. Drugs means starting with tobacco, alcohol, narcotics, non-prescription drug use. All are drugs. All of them mess up your brain. So be very careful. Do you know the definition of a cigarette? A cigarette is a stick with fire at one end and fuel at the other. You must remember this, okay? So remember, do not start. Encourage others to be drugs free. Remember, if anybody has a problem,
पृथ्वी जैसे विचार का महत्व और भी बढ़ जाता है और व्यक्ति को स्वस्थ और संतुलित जीवन जीने की प्रेरणा देता है. योग जीवन में सकारात्मक ऊर्जा और आत्मनियंत्रण विकसित करता है. यही आत्मनियंत्रण नशा मुक्त होने में सहायक होता है. आध्यात्मिक परामर्श नशा मुक्ति अभियान में युवा वर्ग की भूमिका अत्यधिक महत्वपूर्ण है. युवा किसी भी समाज का आधार स्तंभ है और उनकी सक्रियता समाज.
My dear brothers and sisters, it's a great opportunity for all of us to convert Bharat as the leader as Nasha Mukta Bharat. We have to see that the great subject that our Honorable Prime Minister gave, one earth, one health. Can we have to reduce the addictions and we have to move towards the Nasha Mukta Bharat as our Dr. Gangahar said. Should start practicing yoga to get great bliss which can prevent.
ನಶಾ ಮುಕ್ತ ಭಾರತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಶಾ ಮುಕ್ತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಶಾ ಮುಕ್ತ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಶಾ ಮುಕ್ತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ಗಳು, ವಿವಿಯ 30% ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ನಶೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಟೊಬ್ಯಾಕೋ ಸೇವನೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ, ಮದ್ಯಪಾನ ಸೇವಿಸುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದ್ರ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು.
Yoga Day, we've decided to speak about how the mind and the body are connected. At SVASA, the top athletes should be coming from across the country and not going anywhere else in the world. With which he explains, I think this is the message I would like to convey, is that understand.
And in narcotic control, of course, they are also all are everybody knows the danger of this thing. Everybody knows. So in my personal experience also, yoga will prevent all these things. So
we are going to each and every villages, and as per Guruji advice, I hope to reduce this and to avoid, say, no drugs from our earth.
there is a parenting program.
It's a parenting program, right?